Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Today we will discuss the treatment of Shiro Rog. So we will shall discourse on the chapter which deals with the therapeutics of the diseases of the head. Shiro Rog Pratished. Treatment of Vata Shiro Rog. The remedial measure described in connection with the treatment of Vata Vyadhi should be employed in their entirety in the Vayu originated types of the diseases of the head, and all medicinal compounds of oil or clarified butter should be followed by a portion of milk. Mudgukulat or marsh pulse unmixed with any other thing, as well as pungent and heat making articles saturated with clarified butter and followed by portions of tepid milk should be given in the night. Sesame oil or the paste of sesame may also be taken. Milk duly boiled with the Vayu subduing drug should be employed in a lukewarm state in washing the diseased locality, and a plaster composed in the powders of the same drug boiled with milk should be applied lukewarm to the scalp. In the alternative, the scalp may be plastered over with the boiled flesh of fish or with crushed preparation of the rice and sesame saturated with sandal salt, or with the paste of chandan, utpal, kusht, pipli, finely powdered together, all in a lukewarm state. Oil duly prepared with kulir crabs should be used for nasya purposes subsequent to the employment of the fermentation. A quantity of milk diluted with the addition of half as much of water should be duly boiled with the paste of the drugs of the Varunadi group and taken down from the fire when the water has evaporated. Butter should be skimmed out of it when cool, and clarified butter prepared therefrom should be again duly cooked with the paste of the drugs of the Madhur group. The use of this grit as a nasya is highly efficacious in the type under discussion. Clarified butter duly cooked with the decoction of the preceding drugs, Varnadi group, and with the milk should be taken with sugar. Snake doom should be administered in time when required, and Tavret Grit and Balatil should be prescribed as a draught and as an arene, as well as for the purposes of anointing, sprinkling, and bastikar. The food in the present type of the disease should be given with milk cooked with Vayu subduing drugs and with meat soup saturated with snehe, clarified butter. Then comes the treatment of Pittaja and Rakta Shiro Rog. Cooling paste saturated with clarifying butter should be applied to the scalp, and cooling head washes should be prescribed in the Pittaja and Rakta types of Shirorog. Milk, the expressed juice of sugarcane, fermented rice, grill, dhanyamul, curd cream, mastu, honey, and sugar mixed in water, they should be used for sprinkling purposes. Plaster for the head should be prepared with null, vetus, khadir, red lotus, chandan, utpal, shank, conch shell, several yashtimadu, musta, and lotus taken together and mixed with clarified butter, and the plasters described in connection with the treatment of Pittaj and Raktaj with syrup should be used. The drugs of the Madhu group should be used in a tepid state as plasters, and the Sneh duly cooked with the same drug should be used as an arene, and appropriate medicine should be used as purgatives, as well as in the Ashtaphan and Snevasti measures. Asthapan and Snevasti measures. Clarified butter skimmed from milk and fresh vasa of jungle animals should be used as arenes, and cooked with the drugs of the Utpaladi group should be used in this manner of Asthapan Basti. Food should be taken with meat soup of jungle animals, and clarified butter should be used in the manner of an Anuvasan Basti. Clarified butter skimmed from milk and duly cooked with the drugs of the mother group and mixed with sugar should be used for emulsive purposes, Nehan, and all measures and remedies which are remedial to the deranged blood and pith may be likewise employed with profit in these cases. Then treatment of Kapha Shiro Rog. In case of the Kapha Shiro Rog, The cough subduing measures such as strong emetics, head purgatives, Shirovirek, and gargling should be resorted to. The transparent upper part of clarified butter should be given to drink, and fermentation should then be frequently applied to the head. Head purgatives should then be administered with the pith of madhu wood or with meshringi and ingudi bark. Vati sticks made of uh, meshringi and ingudi bark should be used in smoking. Snuffs of powered cutful should be taken, and gargles with cough subduing drugs should be used. Plasters prepared with saral kusht, devdaru roast pasted together with the alkaline water and mixed with sand. The salt should be applied lukewarm to the head. The dye should consist of cooked barley or shastik rice, which should be judiciously taken with yaushar and powdered tricotuf and with the soup of mocked patol and kulat pulse. Then the treatment of Tridoshan and Shayaj Shirorog. The measures which are severely remedial to the three deranged doshas of the body should be applied in case of Shirorog, marked by the concerted action of the three doshas, Tridosh, and rods of old and matured clarified butter are said to be specially efficacious in such instances. Employment of nutritive Weberinger measures and remedies is recommended in cases of the diseases of the head due to any waste or atrophy of the local fat, that is Sheshiroro. Clarified butter duly cooked with the admixture of the drugs of the Vayu subduing and the Madhur groups should be given as drinks and arrays. Any medicated grit which act as a remedy in cases of consumptive cough should be found most effective in the present year Shesh type. Then treatment of creamy shiroro. In case of the headache, due to the germination of parasites or creamy in the head, the patient should be made to snuff in a quantity of animal blood. The worms or parasites lured with the smell of the blood would greedily come down into the passages of the nostrils when they should be carefully extracted by means of tongs, etc. Head purgatives composed of the pulverized seeds of Hreswa shigu mixed with Kanse, dead brass, and nearly indigo pounded together should then be used if necessary, or any vermifuge drug, vidang, etc., pasted with the urine of a cow. They should be snuffed into the nostrils in the manner of a opiate nausea. The fumigation should be applied into the nostrils with the fumes of burnt, salted fishes, and vermifuge foods and drinks of various kinds should be given. Then the treatment of Suryavat and the Vedak. Arenes, etc., plaster, gargle, etc., should be prescribed in cases of the Suryavat type of Shirorog. The diet should principally consist of boiled rice and milk with clarified butter and the essence or extract of with the meat of jungle animals. These are similar other suitable remedial agents should be employed in cases of the Ardhav Vedak type of Shirorog. Shirish and mulak seeds or bamboo roots, camphor or vacha and magdi or yashti madhu and honey or manha seed pasted with honey or chandan should be snuffed into the nostrils in the manners of an opiate in case of the Suryavar type of Shirorog as well as in case of the Ardhavedak headache. After the use of the above, the patient should be made to snuff in the medicated clarified butter cooked with the drugs of the Madhur Kakolyadi group in both the above cases. Plasters composed of Sariva, Utpal Kusht and Yashtimadu pasted with kanjic acid gruel and surcharged with oil and clarified butter are to be found efficacious in both the cases if applied to the affected region. This may be employed with equal success in cases of the Kapha Shiroro. Treatment of Anantvad. The cases of Anantvad Shirok should be treated like those of the Suryavar. Moreover, bloodletting should be affected by opening a local vein, and the diet should be such as to subdue the Vayu and Pit and should consist of Madhu Mastak, Sangya, and Ghrithpura, different kinds of confectionery made of wheat, sugar, milk, clarified butter, etc. Last is the treatment of shankak. The clarified butter churned from the milk should be given for a drink and used as a arine in case of shankak, and the diet should consist of boiled rice mixed with clarified butter and the essence of the meat of jungle animals. Plasters composed of shatavari, black sesame, yashtimadu, nilotpal, durva, and Punarnava are the pasted together, or of Maha Sugandha, Utpal Sariva, or Palindi pasted with Kanjika should be applied to the affected locality. Cooling washes and the plasters, as well as different outbreed nasyas prescribed in cases of Suryavar, should also be prescribed for this disease. Shankak. Strong head purgatives composed of oil and honey should be first administered in cases of Shiroka with the exertion of the Crimage and the Shage types. Then the patient should be made to snuff in drops of mustard oil. In cases where the preceding remedies would fail to produce any relief, the patient should be treated with Snehi and Swed. The bleeding should then be affected by opening a local vein. So here completes our treatment of Shirorog. Thank you so much. This session is powered by Digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you so much.